Hello everyone, it's just Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Deluxe Swiffer mop. So I like that it has a 4-foot long handle. It's got a little bit of a gripper action here. Here I've got the wet pad on, and we've got some muddy paw prints. So I like that this is nice and sturdy. I can swivel it, but let's just go ahead and mop up these muddy paw prints. Wow. It's got a little scrubber on one end if I need to do some scrubbing, kind of lock the handle. Then I could scrub like this if that stain was really stubborn. But boy, does it do a good job. It's just very flexible and it smells really good. Wow. Made short order. Now, when we're all done, we're simply going to throw that away. There, it captured all the mud. All right, you're simply going to take it off. These just pinch in there, and then you're ready to go. Now, when you want to put a new one on, this is probably the hardest part, putting a new one. These are really wet. These are the wet ones. I'm going to show you a dry one. But you got to find there's a side that has these two like sleeves, like these ears, I call them. So open up the ears. You can put this either way. That's like a foam hard, like a soft hard foam. Take the little ears, poke them in a couple times. And now you're ready to start mopping again. Very, very nice. Now let's switch over to dry. Okay, this is for dusting. And again, it's got the little ears, I call them. They're a little easier to get off. Simply just put it on there. And again, poke these down. I like to poke them a couple times. And now you're ready to go. Okay, so over here, we got some long hairs, some confetti. Let's see how it's gonna do. It says it has a hair magnet. And it can pick up. Well, it does pick up quite a bit. This is probably meant for very light duty dusting, but you know, it does pick up quite a bit of stuff. But there is still some stuff on there. Let's see if I can get it. Again, it's got a nice long handle. I can pivot this. If nothing else, I could sweep it up into a little area. So it's not going to get everything. So for everyday dusting, I think this would be okay. But for big messes, you may have to get a vacuum out. But the more I go over, it's like some of the bigger rice chunks and stuff. Yeah. But it is able to capture hair in there. Just some of the bigger chunks it's not able to get. Now, one of the advantages of this, it's 4 feet long. I don't have a pad on it right now, but I could do walls. I could do baseboard. I can turn it at a 90-degree angle. There, I can do right up next to the baseboard if I had a pad on. I could even mop my baseboards if I wanted to. Kind of get that lip, or dusting. So just lots of flexibility. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.